And a good day to all my viewers. It is right now Sunday, July 30th, 2023. It's 5:14 p.m. Eastern. And I think this is the first official video that I'm doing of a REM elevator. So let's try it out here. So for all you elevator fans, this is historical. We're going to be taking this all the way to the top level. There's only 2 levels for this elevator, RC and Q. And we're going to be going to the Q level. So let's see this elevator and how similar it is to the STM ones. Modern elevator, glass elevator. Very simple beep sound. We even have a screen here, information screen. There we are. So first elevator ride that I've taken in any REM station. There it is. And I think this is how all the elevators look in the REM.